Hi, hello, good evening. This is the second video that I'm going to explain a bit deeper. We're going to delve into what I'm trying to convey or try to associate the financial modeling with the corporate finance. A lot of discussion or training on the financial modeling, we don't see any association with the corporate finance. Though I feel it is very integral part to explain the financial modeling as part of the corporate finance. Okay, I give you explanation about that. So we have here financial modeling. Plus the business valuation. Okay, using Excel from the perspective of corporate finance. Point of view. Okay, we remember that corporate finance is all decision in a business that can affect the finance of the business. So here we have a decision, and then you have a financial implication or consequences. Okay, so where we are on this financial modeling under the rubric of the corporate finance. Okay, you remember the corporate finance, basically we discussed, I could put like 5 things here. Your marketing, and then your production, and then your human capital, and then you have your accounting and information system, and then last but not least is your corporate strategy. Okay, so basically financial modeling will be useful in all these 5 section of the corporate finance. I think there's a lot of misunderstanding about the financial modeling, where we find that mostly that people that come to the training of financial modeling class is from the finance background or accounting background. This is not necessary, because we know that anybody that get involved in the decision making, because we know that all the decision making not only come from the accounting or finance, but marketing people also can make decision that can have a financial implication. Production can make a decision that can have the financial implication. Human capital can make decision that can have a financial implication, and corporate strategy also have a financial implication to the business. So basically in all these 5 sections, you can apply the financial modeling. I'll give you the example here. This is about the pricing, about your marketing strategy on your product. Okay, you can launching your new product. You can think about whether you want to extend your credit terms from, for example, 30 days to 45 days. So this is all decision that you make, and all of them have a financial implication to your company. How about the production? You need to assess your production efficiency, your operation strategy, your supply chain, your relationship, your business, your trade relationship with the supplier, the provider of your raw material. In the human capital, of course, probably you say, how to relate the human capital with the corporate finance and financial modeling. I think there's a trend now that they can see the human capital. You need to assess and also to increase the financial value of your employees. Okay, so you think about the financial value, the contribution. This is about how many headcount you're going to put in one department, in another department, how you make the transformation in all departments, especially in the employees, to make them more efficient and productive in their work. And of course, this is all needs the analysis. And of course, in the accounting or information system, you will provide, this is all the, usually all this, the financial data compile and put into one department where you can retrieve that data and do the analysis to make a better or informed financial analysis. And how about your corporate strategy? This is like, for example, I put like an entry or barrier to entry. You need also to assess what's the financial implication to increase the barrier to entry. How the competition will really squeeze you and whether you need to come up with a new idea. So this is the whole things that the financial modeling will be quite useful. So I really encourage people with the background from human capital, background from marketing, background from engineering, come up to the class and we're going to discuss and see, at least you don't miss the storyline. This is the key. You can see the big picture, how your decision will impact the financial statement of your company. We're going to go through the financial statement line by line to make you understand that it is very critical for whole decision maker to understand how or when and the analysis that you make will have the financial consequences, and of course you want to see how it's reflected in your books of the company. Okay, so hopefully you can understand now the relationship between the corporate finance and financial modeling. In the next video, I'm going to explain what is the relationship with the financial modeling and business valuation. Business valuation is not the job or only the task of the consultant. It is the job of everybody in the company to think more about how to maximize the value of the firm. Okay, I'm going to see you in the next video where I want to explain a bit about, of course, because in these 2 days training I cannot explain more, but I just give you an overview in this short video. Okay, I see you in the next video.